Hi everyone. So this week we actually have a holiday. It's Earth Day. So we always have Earth Day in the spring in April to remind us that just like we want to be healthy, we need to keep our earth healthy too. Okay, so I have some books about flowers, plants, and insects because one way we can keep our earth healthy is to make sure we have lots of plants and flowers and trees around us so that we can have some food to eat. The trees help us and animals breathe, and insects and plants eat, or insects and bugs eat some of the plants too. Okay, so it ends up keeping them healthy as well. So the first book I have is called The Surprise Garden. Okay, our author is Zoe Hall, and it's illustrated by Shari Halpern. Okay, so let's see what the surprise is in this garden. We're planting the seeds for a surprise garden. Can you guess what we will grow? That was a question sentence. What's something you know that grows in a garden? We don't know. It's a surprise. First, we use our trowel and rake to loosen the soil. So that's the first step. Mom has given us each a handful of all kinds of seeds. Look at all the different shapes and sizes. So remember, shapes and sizes are attributes. So the kids and the dog are looking at the shapes and the sizes of the seeds to sort them. We poke the seeds into the soil one by one. We have painted sticks different colors to mark the different kinds of seeds. Then we water the seeds and wait for our surprise garden to grow. Okay, so all the things seed needs to grow, they need to be in the soil, they need water, and there can be inside or outside seeds, but they need sunlight too. Soon the seeds sprout into small green shoots. Look at some of the insects and bugs and spiders that are already around the plants. Ladybugs, worms. We water the plants and the sun warms them. Our garden grows and grows. On some plants, flowers bloom. Before long, the petals fall off. Surprise! We see peas, beans, and squash. On some plants, leaves grow close to the ground. Surprise! We see spinach and lettuce. And what is growing here? Surprise! We see broccoli and cauliflower. Is anything growing here? Surprise! We find carrots and radishes. They are growing under the ground. So some plants, all you see is the sprouts. The real vegetable, see, he pulled out of the ground and there's the radish, where you pull another plant out and the carrot appears. So some plants, they actually grow under the soil. Here is the longest plant in our garden. Flowers bloomed on this plant too. Surprise! We find a big watermelon. Here is the tallest plant in our garden. Surprise! It's a sunflower and it is full of tasty seeds. So see, the bird even likes it. All summer long, the food in our surprise garden ripens. We like to pick the food. And eat it too. Surprise! We are having a garden party. The end. So they have a list of all of the vegetables and flowers and fruits that they grew in their surprise garden. They had peas, beans. So peas and beans actually grow in this thing called a pod. And then some people eat the pea or bean pods, or you can open them up and pull the peas out. They grew spinach and lettuce, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, radish, squash, watermelon, and sunflowers. Okay? Right, so I hope you enjoyed the surprise garden. Okay, one way to keep our earth healthy is to keep lots of gardens and trees and flowers around, okay? See you guys all later. Bye.